Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Fina Shows. Today, I'm going to show you how to make an egg sandwich. You'll need some oil, salt, cheese, bread, an egg, and some pepper. So let's get started. First, take some oil and pour some on the pan. And then take an egg, crack it, and mix it well. Put a pinch of salt and some pepper. And mix well. And you have your egg. Take a bread piece, put some egg on it, take some square cheese, and put it on just like that. And finally, take your other bread and put it on top. Take a butter knife, dip it in some butter, and rub some butter on the top. Put it on the pan. Now put some butter on the other side. Close it and lock it. And on the stove. And place it on there for 30 seconds. Now let's cut it in half. Look how stretchy it will be. So cool. Time to taste. So good. So yummy.